Not all coaching programs are created equal. So today what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to the computer and take a look at the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire 2.0 coaching program and community. Without further ado, let's head over there. Here we are. This is a complete review of the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire 2.0 coaching program. And as you can see right here, here are the coaching program co-founders, Daniel and Nathan, right here. I just wanted to throw this up real quick so that way you guys could get an idea of, the creators and co-founders of the program. Couple of outstanding, upstanding family guys right here. All they wanted to do was get away from the 9 to 5 and provide the type of life for their family that only the online world can provide. And as you can see right here, I won't spend too much time on this. I just want to give you like a quick summary of Daniel and Nathan right here. And this is just a little bit of a summary right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you through the actual components of the entire coaching program, because it's various components, right? It's not just one thing or thing here. It is multiple things. And now this right here, we're going to focus on the training for now. And what you see in front of you is the main membership area of everything Wealth Warriors has to offer. But for now, what we're going to do is focus on the group coaching. And so whenever you sign up and you come into the Elite Income Empire 2.0 members area, this is the screen you'll see. And when you click on this screen right here, you are literally going to be taken to this. This is the home of all of our training modules. We literally have everything in order of operation. It's a logical flow. And what Daniel and Nathan decided to do was create just a logical flow to avoid confusion whatsoever, and it literally takes you down step by step. The training modules are not overly long. I think one of the longest ones is probably 50 minutes or so, but it is very thorough, right? It is very thorough. Starting out with an overview, right? You want to know what you're getting into when you start. Then, of course, there's mindset. I'm going to expand and contrast some of these. We have mindset here. Mindset is 90% of being an entrepreneur and running an online business. You cannot skirt around mindset. And then from there, we go into goal setting goals, and some additional assets of recommendations like books and additional knowledge that you can achieve inside of Elite Income Empire 2.0. And then from there, it goes down the list. Starts with Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, DM, hitting milestones. And then, of course, we have a more advanced section, and it's labeled as such right here, as you can see, because we want, whatever your skill level is, we want to be able to make sure that you understand where your positioning is. And so, 90% of people are literally going to start at the very top. Well, everybody needs to start at the very top. But then if you are more advanced, or you have your own offer, or you're ready to start, really leveling up your skills, then that is at the bottom, because beginners need that foundation, right? Beginners need that absolute critical foundation to get started, and it starts with this order right here. Starting here, going here, and then spending most of your time here learning the basics of organic marketing. This is all 100% organic marketing. These training modules, we build them they are built as they go. And if we find that there's not, there's a particular training that's not relevant, it'll get backed out. If there's something that is found to be more beneficial, it'll get added. And that's what I love. That's why I love recommending this coaching program, is that it is evolving with the times. Anything that's outdated, even 6 months ago, gone. Anything that has been proven to not work, gone. If it's showing prominent results and is gaining traction, it's added. Just that way you have a clear understanding of what to expect when you come in to our coaching program. And of course, I wanted to show you real quick that this is not just a course. Yes, this is training modules. It has the elements of a course, but as you can see right here, we have live. There are live coaching calls, as you can see. Little familiar face right there. So yeah, I just wanted to show that show that off to you guys, that it's more than just taking a course. Not that there's anything wrong. There's absolutely nothing wrong, because I believe online education is very beneficial for both the business and the students, right? So that's just a little snippet of our coaching calls, and I just wanted you to see that, you know, our team show up on a daily and weekly basis for our students. I believe this was one of our Saturday calls, I believe. But yeah, having the calls where our students can hop in at specific times, depending on the topic of the day, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, general Q&A. That's where it shines. Is that, you know, our students can come in. If they're stuck on something, if they feel like they hit a roadblock, they feel like they hit a hurdle, they could come in, get the questions answered, live demos, screen sharing. Nobody leaves until they're better off at the end than when they came in, and that is the goal, and that is a goal that I strive to accomplish as well. Is making sure that the students are better off at the end than when they started. So that's just a little bit of snippet right there. This is not the end. This is not the end. The other aspect of the coaching program that I wanted to review is community, because getting on, you know, coaching calls, maybe you're only able to get on once a week, but your business is always going to run, right? Your business is always going to keep going. So this is why we have our Wealth Warriors VVIP student community right here, and this right here. It's just growing and evolving, and just been a huge breath of fresh air, not only for the coaches but for the students as well. Having everything, having aside for trainings, having everything in one place. And as you can see right here, if I switch to the All tab right here, I can even showcase things. I'm going to do the menu here. So as you can see, let's start at the top right here: community, classroom, calendar, members, leaderboards, and about. If you're coming in as a student, you're probably not going to see all these. I happen to be, you know, one of the moderators. But all points aside, the big ones that we have right here: community, classroom, and calendar. These three right here, I'm going to highlight those. These are very vital to being able to have success within our coaching program, because our students can come in 24/7. This is a constant. This does not stop, because we have students and coaches from all over the world in different time zones. And whenever, you know, we're sleeping, some of our coaches are awake. Students, same thing. And of course, we do have. I want to take you through this. We do have a general discussion where our students can come together and have a general discussion. Coaches as well. Right here, our students can come in and ask questions. We have questions here on Facebook stories. Of course, at the time of this recording, there was an outage earlier in the day at the time of the recording, but that has since been resolved. People ask about Instagram. That is a huge thing. Of course, highlights, TikTok, our 3 days, bonuses. Somebody needs help. They're struggling with mindset. I can't get in or find it. You know, it's literally questions, and you can see answers. There is no question here that goes unanswered inside of this community. The other aspect of this is that as students are going along, they may feel like they're alone or struggling or not getting the results that they want. Right here is huge, because it's encouraging students to share their wins. So I will highlight this one right here. Armand went live on Instagram. He facing a fear. Bill, level 5. Salvatore's in it to win it. Ken reached level 7. Teresa had a first Zoom call. Karen did a first carousel. I mean, literally, Shoshana got a first sale. I mean, literally, and then all of the wins, win after win after win after win. Everybody was celebrating all the wins. Somebody finished the organic traffic training, profile optimized, level 4 inside of the community. And what do I mean by these levels? Okay, you're seeing level 6, level 4. Basically, what this means is that whenever you come into our VVIP community here, is that there's a point system, right? There is a point system to where these point levels, as you engage in the community, will unlock bonus trainings. So like if we come over here to Classroom, there are additional bonus trainings, additional resources to unlock, like trainings with Jonathan Montoya, Dan Henry, Igor Kafetz, some advanced AI trainings, and skyrocketing your following, your fan base on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Our VVIP community to begin following here. It's literally a start here. Our 30-day done for you. It goes on and on and on and on. And it's just constant. Of course, right here is the big one. This is a huge one right here. Once you get to the top echelon in the school community, is that you can get testimonials and one-on-ones to figure out if there are any growth problems, to highlight any holes in your business. You get one-on-one. It's more like one-on-two. You get one-on-two with Daniel and Nathan. And then, of course, a testimonial once you get to those higher levels. That is all the point system inside of school to unlock bonus trainings. And, of course, right here is, I'll move on from this to our calendar. As you can see, we have various trainings throughout the week. And the nice thing about school, and this is a problem that I've seen with others, is that there was always a confusion on time. What time does it start? And, of course, for me right here, this is my local time, okay? It'll be different for you, okay? You may be in a different time zone or a different part of the world. Just know that it will automatically convert based on your time zone. So you do not have to worry about, oh, what time is this? What time is that? And as you come into the school community, you will get notifications and email, mostly in the form of email reminders, 24 hours before the next class. So if somebody comes in at 7 o'clock, they come in maybe before 7 p.m. my time, they'll get reminded of the TikTok class, but then they also get the reminder the next day, hey, Instagram class, this reminder, hey, this class is tomorrow. And it's literally coming in here, and then they'll be able to hop on these Zoom calls that I showed you right here. So that is just a overview and a showcase of the different components of the coaching program, because I feel that just having information alone is not enough. Obviously, you're seeing this on YouTube. You can literally go on the search bar at the top and search for how to do anything, how to make money online, how to start in real estate, how to create your own digital product, how to post on Instagram. All the information is out there. This right here is kind of an information type video. It's more of a review, but I feel like having that support, right? Having that go-to team to where you can get your questions answered. You can ask and get answers. And it literally will help you become a more well-rounded digital marketer. And I'm not here to compare. This isn't like comparing one coaching program over another. I'm just here to give my best recommendations on different assets, different educational programs that will help you move your business forward. And this right here is a very, very strong recommendation for sure. Obviously, you guys saw me in the coaching call right there. You guys saw it right there. But yeah, I do have vested interest in the Wealth Warriors, and I cannot say enough good things about the coaching program. Every program is not perfect, but I wanted to highlight. I wanted to definitely showcase the Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire 2.0. 2.0. It was a much needed facelift, as there were major deficiencies and limits and ceilings that were being hit, and having this membership area here and having the school community here is kind of that overall all-encompassing asset to be able to succeed online in 2024 and beyond. And now, with that being said, if you guys want to learn more, down in the description, there will be a link so you can check out our free training so you can learn more. It is literally, when you click on that link inside the description, it will take you to this page to where you can learn, get an intensive step-by-step training on the 3 secrets to be able to, that is allowing beginners to generate this per day. And it's how to get other people to do the work for you, how to generate leads and sales without risking your money or even showing your face. I know faceless marketing is real big in current marketing era. And you can learn, these 3 steps to be able to leverage AI and a faceless brand to be able to skyrocket your results, or even just get those starting steps, right? You'll click on this, you'll put in your name and email, and you'll get access to the training. So with that being said, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, I will include my Instagram handle in the I'll include my Instagram account in the description below. Should you feel like you want to reach out and ask a question, or maybe looking for a little bit more clarity, I will do that for you. There will be a link in the description to hop on over to my Instagram account to where you can get a hold of me, send me a message, and ask me any questions. Thank you guys for checking out this review of Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire 2.0, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, have a good day.